Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, I'll be walking you through the process of setting up a proxy in the NT-Detect XBrowser. To make sure that the XBrowser works seamlessly with your proxy, you'll need to proxify your operating system first. Here's how. Click on the Start button and select Settings. Next, click on Network and Internet. In the window that appears, navigate to the Proxy tab. Activate the Use a Proxy Server option. In the address and port fields, enter the IP and port of your proxy. Once you've entered the necessary information, click on Save. Open XBrowser on your PC. In the top right workspace, click on Add New. In the Residential Proxy Configuration section, select the country of your proxy server from the Proxy Location menu. Make sure to give your profile a name and select the operating system. Once you've configured everything, click on Save and Exit. You're all set. You can now work using the proxy in XBrowser. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.